Hey Glam fam, so today I am back with a Fenugreek shake. My Glam fam have requested this video frequently and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and give my Glam fam what they've been asking for. And this is not my first time making a Fenugreek shake, but y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is just a shake that I actually just ended up throwing together. So it's not the best creation ever, but I was like, you know what, I already recorded this, so let me share this with my Glam fam. And of course there will be more videos coming soon about Fenugreek and how you can consume it and so forth and so on. So as you all can see, I'm starting off with one banana, and what I'm going to do is slice this banana up. Now all that you're going to need for this shake is one banana, because as you all will see later in the video, I will be adding in some frozen fruits. Now today I'm using my trusty Ninja blender as always, and it will be listed down below for you guys, as well as for everything that was purchased from Amazon in this video. And I'm going to be using my strawberry banana blend. This is frozen fruit, so these are the frozen fruits that I will be using on today.
Can't you feel the waves come crashing in, running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God.
Now I will be using some coconut milk, and I actually could have left this out, but since it was in the fridge, I just ended up grabbing it and using it in my shake. But you can definitely forfeit the coconut milk if I do say so myself. Next up, I will be adding in some silk almond milk, and this is necessary to the ingredients, but I will also recommend adding this and some vanilla yogurt if you have it. I unfortunately did not have any vanilla yogurt, so you know what, it's time for your girl to go to the store. But I'm using this on today, and I think that's why this shake didn't turn out all that good, because honey, it needed some yogurt, okay? It definitely did. And I'm going to add in my bananas. Now the point of me posting this video was to share with you guys that you can in fact use Fenugreek in your shakes and or smoothies. Fenugreek does amazing things for the body, and I've made quite a bit of videos on Fenugreek now here on my channel. So I have one video talking about the side effects of Fenugreek, and I also have a video listing all of the uses and benefits of Fenugreek for breast and butt enlargement at home. So that will of course be listed up in the cards for you guys, and I'm only adding in 1 tablespoon of Fenugreek powder, because if you all don't know, Fenugreek has a very strong taste to it, okay?
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land.
And after your Fenugreek shake is done blending, all that you have to do is put it in your cup and it is ready to be drinking. Now, like I said, I will have the previous videos that I made on Fenugreek listed up in the cards, so I do recommend that you guys check that out if you want to learn some of the benefits of Fenugreek and how it works for breast enlargement and also getting a nice plump round booty at home. Definitely check it out. It's going to be linked up in the eye card, so if you all see a little eye flash across your screen, that is where you will find all of that information. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to transform your body and health at home. Y'all know that my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, and just things that have to do with my life. I mean, I am Maddie, and this is my glam life. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button for more informative beauty videos and so forth and so on, because we have so much to offer here at the Glam Fam. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming.
I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of night.